Hi, I'm Liz, and this is the Epsom-It Soothing Muscle Magnesium Lotion. It's a topical alternative to traditional Epsom salt baths. Thank you to the brand for sending this to me for the purpose of this video. This product is designed to help with muscle comfort, stiffness, and general recovery. Instead of soaking in a magnesium sulfate soak, you apply it directly to your skin as a lotion. Now let's take a look at what's inside. It contains 20% USP magnesium sulfate, which is the same compound found in Epsom salt. The brand notes on the back that it's about 30 times more concentrated than a typical soak. It's also blended with arnica, which is commonly used in topical products that target sore or overworked muscles. The formula is fragrance-free and greaseless. So I just put some on my arm here a minute ago, and you can see it's not like shiny or anything else. There's no oily layer. It also does not have a strong scent. It is fragrance-free, which is very nice. The texture is lightweight, and it's similar to your standard body lotion. Now, here's how it's used. You're going to apply a small amount to your skin while it's dry, and you're going to massage it into the area that feels tight or fatigued. It can be legs, arms, lower back, whatever muscle group you worked out at the gym today or walked, whatever you did as a part of your daily routine. It can be before or after a workout, whenever. For best results, you want to let it fully absorb before you put any clothing over it. Now, a few things to note. It's meant for external use only, and it is not a substitute for medical treatment. It is also free from dyes and strong fragrances, which makes it suitable for most skin types. So, if you're looking for an Epsom salt experience without needing a bathtub or needing all of the time that it takes to do a soak, this lotion offers a simple and mess-free option. Thanks for watching, and I hope that helps.